Hello, everyone. Welcome back, The English Friend, where English is simple and fun. Today, we are learning how to talk about your daily routine from morning to night. Why is this important? Because when you meet someone new, they might ask, "What do you do every day?" If you can answer this, you can start real conversations in English. And to make this lesson fun, my friend Paul is here with me.
Hi, everyone. I'll learn with you and ask questions so you don't feel alone.
Paul, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I wake up, and sometimes I go back to sleep.
We all do that. Remember, wake up, open your eyes. Get up equals leave the bed. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7:15.
Okay. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Perfect. Many people also say, I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. Schoolwork. After breakfast, what's next?
I go to school.
Yes. We say, I go to school at 8 a.m. Important. Don't say, I go to home. Say, I go home.
Oh, so I go home at 2 p.m. is correct.
Exactly. Afternoon. In the afternoon, people usually say, I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I do my homework. I play games or relax.
I watch YouTube.
You can say, I watch videos on YouTube. Evening. In the evening, we can say, I have dinner with my family. I read a book. I play football. I watch TV night.
Before sleeping, I brush my teeth, check my phone, and go to bed.
Perfect. Easy and natural English. Okay, friends, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I play games with friends. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now, change the times. For example,
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 6.
Great practice. Viewers, try it too. 1. Wake up, open eyes. I wake up at 7 a.m. 2. Get up, leave bed. I get up at 7:15. 3. Brush teeth, clean teeth. I brush my teeth after breakfast. 4. Take a shower, wash body. I take a shower every morning. 5. Have breakfast, lunch, dinner, eat meals. I have lunch at 1 p.m. 6. Go to school/work. Leave for study/job. I go to work at 9. 7. Do homework. Study at home. I do my homework after school. 8. Go to bed. Lie down to sleep. I go to bed at 10. 5. Recap. Let's review. Morning. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, have breakfast. Afternoon. Go to school/work. Have lunch, do homework, relax. Evening. Have dinner, read, watch TV, play sports. Night. Brush teeth, go to bed. Now you can describe your whole day in English.
Emily, what if I forget these words?
That's normal. My tip, talk to yourself every day. When you wake up, say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. Small practice every day makes you fluent. Star, thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.